Hello study family, welcome to Medicagram. I am your study panda helping you deal with not so positive thoughts and emotions that you might be experiencing during this prep phase. Welcome to Gyan Time with Medicagram, wherein you and I together shall address all these problems and develop a positive approach towards them. You have multiple targets to achieve and the deadline is soon approaching. There are a lot of projects that you probably haven't touched or left it halfway through. And your mind is just all over the place except on your work. In such situations, how do you force your mind to see the logic? How do you make yourself work through this? How do you force yourself to finish all the projects that have a lot of stake in your life and in your career? In today's episode, I'm going to tell you just that. See, instead of just fighting with the idea of not being able to focus or concentrate, instead of trying to avoid it, you just make it a point to acknowledge and accept the fact that maybe your mind is just wandering, and make it a point to identify the topic on which your mind is going back again and again. Maybe there is a little thing that your friend said that didn't go well with you. Maybe there's a bill that you still have to pay. Maybe there's a lingering health issue that is bothering you. I would suggest make a list of all these things that are pending or affecting your work-life balance. Just make a list and try and solve as many as possible without investing a lot of time. And make it a point to prioritize. If working on your project is more important or talking to the friend or clearing the misconception. If working on your deadline is more important than having a friendly date with your family. Just make it a point to prioritize things and then go on ticking off one after the other. Do one thing at a time instead of just placing your energy all over the place. And as far as your mind is concerned, your mind is like a little kid who does not see anything beyond what it wants at the moment. It's like a little kid in a toffee shop that just wants a chocolate, his favorite chocolate. No matter what you show him, no matter how big or how many varieties of flavors that you show him, he just wants that one chocolate that he loves. Exactly, if you try and manipulate yourself into working and doing your projects so that you can end up giving a gift or a cheat meal or a cheat day after completing a certain amount of project, I am sure your mind will find some logic in it. Make a deal with yourself that after finishing 3 or more hours of work, maybe I'll have a chocolate or a cupcake so that you are in a win-win situation. Even your work gets complete and you just have a dopamine surge by eating or doing the things that you love. In this way, you can try and manipulate your mind into helping you achieve your bigger goals, into helping you become the person that you have envisioned to do. But above all of that, the most important thing that you have to realize, it's not your mind that is your enemy. You and your mind have to work together to beat those targets, to beat all the evils or whatever negative that you are facing at the moment. You and your mind are a single team, and teamwork is the most important thing when it comes to achieving your goals and deadlines. And most of all, it is equally important to have the dopamine surge, whether it is talking to your family, talking to your friends, enjoying your favorite movie on Netflix, or just chilling and doing nothing. You all need certain kinds of breaks or certain kind of incentives to go ahead to do the work that you do not want to do. So you have to trick your mind into believing that once I finish this, I can go ahead and eat the red velvet cupcake that I have always been craving for. Maybe your mind still sees logic then. So this is how you may probably help yourself navigate the tough task of negotiating with your mind. Negotiating with yourself, which just does not see the long-term goal and which is just focused on the instant gratification. I hope these tricks help you navigate the tough path between mind and your body, between mind and your work, between pleasure or instant gratification and long-term success. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Lots of love, Medicagram.